Alright, just wanted to do an update on a couple more things I added. I went to Traxxion Dynamics in Georgia and I had them install tip over protection. So I have it in my mirror and on the saddlebag on both sides. It's just basically if the bike goes over, then it should keep it from getting scratched. So, and they also did the emergency gas door release. So basically they drill the hole and put this rubber thing in there. The thought is because if this servo fails, this doesn't open and then this doesn't open. So just kind of a protective measure against that. Well, I need it, I don't know, but I had them do it. And other than that, that's about all I've done to it. Had his 4,000 mile service done. Everything looked good. And I took a little trip down to Georgia and South Carolina. So everything's coming along. For the IBR, I still got a couple things I'm going to do. I need to work on my hydration system. And I'm getting a GPS hard mounted to the bike up here. So yeah, for the IBR, this is not going to cut it. I have that, but it goes here and will scratch the paint. So I got to figure something else out. But other than that, she is. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day.